Hello everyone. Today we will discuss how can we help prevent pollution. Means what activity we should do to prevent pollution. Actually for this many civic agencies are there which are responsible for disposing of the garbage produced by us daily like village panchayats, municipalities and municipal corporation. These are the main civic agencies which are responsible for disposing of the garbage produced by us daily. But on our part, we must try to keep our villages, towns and cities clean. We must try to reduce pollution by various activities. First of all, we should segregate wastes. Actually, the wastes are of two types, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. So, we should collect biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes in separate waste bins. You can also make a small pit in your backyard and dispose the biodegradable waste there. This waste will be decomposed or rot and turned into manure, and this manure you can use in your plants or in your garden. Second one is use environment friendly products. We should always use cloth bags, paper bags and we should avoid use of plastic bags because plastic bags are non-biodegradable and harmful for the environment. Third one is do not litter. Whenever you go out, do not throw scrap food, empty water bottle and food wraps on the road. If you will throw these things on the road, it will make our environment dirty. So, if there is dustbin on the way, you should throw these things in the dustbin, and if dustbin is not there, you can take the waste home and throw it in the bins, and after that it will be thrown at proper place. Next one is save paper. Do not waste paper. A lot of trees have to be cut down to make paper. So, if it is required, then only we use paper, and if it is not required, we should not waste paper and we should not unnecessarily write anything on the paper and throw that paper, etc. Because paper is made from plant, and for making paper we should cut so many trees. So if we want to protect trees, we should save paper also. Save plants. Grow as many plants as you can, because plant gives us shade, food, etc. They also take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen during the process of photosynthesis. In this way, plants are helpful in our survival. Every year 1st July is observed as the Van Mahotsav Day, and on this day trees are planted on a large scale. So we should also plant trees and take care of trees. Save fuel. If you are traveling to short distance, try to use bicycle or public transport in which many people can travel together. This will help in reducing pollution, and regular pollution checks should be carried out for all vehicles. If in one way 2-3 people have to go and all will use their own vehicle, then they will use fuels more than if they will join or they will go in that area in the same vehicle. In this way, we can use carpool also, means if some people's office is in same direction, they should combine together and they can move in same vehicles. Save energy. Whenever you are not using electrical appliances like lights, fan, TV, music system and computer, you should switch off those instruments or those appliances. By doing this, we can save electricity. Last one is reduce, reuse and recycle. This is also remembered as 3 R's. Actually, reduce means we should reduce our need and we should not buy things that we don't need, and we should not accumulate more things than we need. The more things we have, the more waste we will produce, and buy things which can be used again and again over a long period of time. Like this, we should not always purchase water, Bisleri water bottle or anything. We should use water bottle and refill the water. So in this way, less amount of waste will produce. We should avoid disposable things. We have to throw away these things after every use. So we should avoid use of disposable things. Recycling means converting waste into reusable material like old newspaper, empty glass bottles, plastics and tins can be recycled and turned into new products. So we should not throw these products here and there. We should sell these products to the kabadi wala, and after that product will go for recycling. So these are the methods. If we will use these methods, we can protect environment from, we can prevent